it up.
This is from Cupcake. Oh.
What? Put that in. Look, what is this? What is it?
Buzz. Take the stuff out. Here. He's like, I want to hold it. Pull it out. Pull it out, Caden.
Can you pull it out?
Who is it? Show mommy.
Intergalactic emergency. There's a rogue meteor headed from Delta.
You want to open it all the way?
Whoa, Caden, that's cool. Hey, look at mommy.
Look at mommy.
Say thank you, Cupcake.
Say thank you.
Cupcake. Say thank you, Cupcake.
Can you say I love you?
Caden, look at mommy. Look at the camera. Say thank you, Cupcake. Cupcake. He doesn't want to say Cupcake. Hey, Caden, look at mommy. Caden, can you say Cupcake? Say I love you. I love you. He's too busy with the Buzz Lightyear that Cupcake got him.
Okay, hang on, buddy. Look, it's Buzz. There's lots of stuff to unwrap. Push it.
Oh my goodness. Caden, show mommy.
It's a cheese. Thank you. Okay, let's get it open all the way. Then you can get the wings out.
Say, okay, look at mommy real quick. Say thank you, Cupcake. All right.